Google has come up with some new requirements for anyone who is sending emails through their website. You can read more about what those requirements are on a blog post that I have linked below in this video. And you can also use this tool, which I have also linked below in this video, where you can test to see if your website is impacted. Now, I've already configured most of my websites to be compliant, and this tool will confirm that. Let me first show you the aqrecommends.com website. I'm going to type in the domain and I'm going to hit check my domain, and you can see right there that it's set up correctly. I'm going to now test my Shopify store, which I haven't set up yet, which I have yet to do. And it'll come back and say that this has not been set up correctly. Okay, I'll test my other domains, bkids.com, right? So you can use this tool to check if your domain has been correctly set up to be compliant with the new Google email authentication requirements. I'll check my other website here as well. No, it's this one here. I'll check that one in a moment too. Very, very easy to set up. You can read the instructions on the blog post linked below. So this one's set up as well. So all of my websites, I've just done them today, are compliant with the new Google email authentication requirements, except for my Shopify store. Okay, so when you test your domain, you simply put it in, just as I've done here, without the HTTP. So don't put in HTTP, don't put in HTTPS, don't put in www, simply put it in as I've done here, and then you can check it, and you can see whether your domain is correctly set up or not. If you don't do this, you'll be blocked and blacklisted by Google, okay? If you do have this issue and you find that you're not set up correctly, click on the link below in this video for instructions on how you can go about and fix the problem, or click on this link, okay, in the checker tool, and we will be able to help you, okay? Hope this is helpful. All the links to the resources are linked below in this video.